Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So with some persuasion, that's the old one. That's the new one. So we just have to tighten everything down, do the new tie rod assembly on this side, get it ready to go. We got our dampener put in place. Just have to tighten everything down. This one's probably going to be a very short one because I'm trying to get this done today, get as much done as I can. I'm not feeling good at all, so we'll get everything done. All right, guys, sorry to make it so short, but have a good one. And we're back again. So the hub unit, I just finished off the wheel bearing and rear seal. Here's the front one. I got to grease that one up yet. Then we're back together for here. I can finish off the rotors, the brakes, and then do the tie rod. But yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. Short, quick, up-to-date videos, and we'll be good all day. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. So we're now on the passenger side, getting everything disassembled. We're gonna take it one step at a time. So the hoses haven't been done yet because we're waiting on rotors, so I'll do the hoses when the rotors come in. Yay. So we'll separate the tie rod here. Same thing we did last time, same as the other side. Pull the strut, do the control arm, get everything ready to go. I literally just got back from lunch. Yay me! Yeah. So we'll get this all taken care of one step at a time. One of these days I'm gonna actually do a live video and have you guys see exactly what we go through on some of the cars that come in as to how hard it is to get things separated. So, but now you've got a really good idea as to why you needed tie rods. I mean, that's just really bad. So, but okay, guys, short, sweet, to the point. We'll catch you on the next one.